Our factory produces a complete range of bolts and nuts, which can meet your requirements for many models. This is our bolts and nuts workshop. The bolts are made of solid steel bars. The bars are cut into steel rods by these machines. Then rough cutting is performed. This machine can cut the bevel of the end. Then we need to cut the desired diameter. Then the CNC lathe is used for turning. Next, we need to shape the head. First, put one end into the machine to soften it. Then put the bolts into a steel mold, which presses the softened head into a hexagon. Then the process is called stamping. After stamping, we need to press the threads. Finally, the finished products are classified and stored in our warehouse.